let me hold the baby. Hold the camera as well. Hello everyone, we're doing a walk through Highgate. So let's see what the town has to offer. Yeah. Oh, there's a JN. Beautiful day, bit of a breeze in the air, sun is shining. It's lovely.
I'm enjoying myself.
Are you Hazel? You alright? First welcome there, Tobes. You're right, man. You alright, Maurice? Hazy, pull your skirt down. Good girl.
$300 for one Breadfruit.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah. It would be like 1,000 or something.
Oh, where you going, sweetie? Oi, sorry, darling. Sorry. Oh, it's working. Is it out of service? Is it working, Sonia? Oh, just this one. Oh, you got money? Just check the upstairs. Charge up 40K. Check the upstairs.
I've only got.
I don't think I got anything. How much? 300 for a pound?
It wants $4.50 for £2.
I think I got nothing. Oh, here, there's 100 Tobes in there.
$1.50 a pound. Is that alright?
Yeah. Oh, there's $100 in there, screwed up to the side.
There's like £2.
Wait.
That's 50. How much?
King Charles Cellar of Paradise and Fernandez. Highgate Main Street.
How much? How much was it?
How much was it? $4.50.
Yes. So you can tell your brother and your father.
Look at this pineapple. $4.50 for a pineapple. You ready, guys? You ready? It's so silly, isn't it? Thank you, sir. Thank you.
That's why they call me pineapple tea. I don't know.
Okay.
You get that.
wow. Hold on, Hazel. I need to just take my hand off for 1 second. We're walking through a little bit of the streets and the smell of chicken smells good. So good. Come round. Hold on. Come down. Money lady, money lady. Types. Come stand in the shade.
He's grumpy.
loves a bit of mothers. Yeah, Melly spotted the mothers. Nice, nice. Then we've got Graham's Hardware. Quite a lot going on in Highgate. Quite a lot. God, where I've got my arm on you, it's sweating. pharmacy.
Where are you going?
I can't even hear what she's saying. What's the matter with you? I should have wore the. I thought you had the thing in the bag.
Upstairs, one stop shop, some of the glasses. Yeah, man, the man